Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a cruelty-free and vegan subscription box that ships worldwide, and it's the Pip Box. And they've changed their box design. Really pretty box. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to the Pip Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their May box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Pip Box is a UK cruelty-free and vegan beauty subscription box. The cost of the box is £19.99, and that's free shipping within the UK. To ship to Europe, there's an additional £1.50 shipping, and to ship to the rest of the world, it's £3.50. This has got to be the cheapest box that ships worldwide. So they offer a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3 and 6 month subscription at a reduced cost. When you go onto the website, you will see a spinning wheel. If you were to sign up for their newsletter and spin that wheel, you'll be given a discount off your first box. So it's like 5%, 10%, 15% and things like that. So it's worth having a go at that to see if you can get a discount. But if I can find any discount codes, I'll pop them down in my description. Once the Pip Box has made contact with a potential supplier, they check their company policy on animal testing, and before any products are featured, all suppliers are asked to sign a Pip Box cruelty-free declaration form just for peace of mind. Now this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. They have been sending me their boxes for the last couple of months, which I'm really grateful for. I have been posting them up on my Instagram page, which is the same name, Diary of a Beauty Geek, but I thought for this month I'll do a YouTube video. So my unboxings will swap between YouTube and Instagram. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything I've missed out, please ask down below. But all links, all codes I can find, everything related to this subscription box, you will find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their May box. This month's theme is healing and wellness, and inside here details everything about the products, so I will refer to that as we go along. I'll just take off some worms. It is packaged really nicely. I love the design of this box. I'm really impressed with it. There you go, so I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. So it says, welcome to your May Pip Box. Heal your body and mind with this month's wellness edit. This month's edit combines pampering oils with relaxation eye masks, and we've even included a guided sleep meditation to ensure you feel relaxed and refreshed. Take a peek at the back page of this leaflet. Enjoy the Pip Box team. So the bonus treat is a code to use with the Sleep Well collection at checkout to get the entire collection with £10 for free. I think that is brilliant. I do think that is fab. Okay then, so it says here this month's total has a value of £48 plus. So we'll start off with a star feature, which is by Aromatherapy Associates London, and this is a de-stress mind rollerball for focusing and soothing, and there's 10 mils here. I have got a few of these rollerballs from different brands, and both myself and my daughter love them. Put it on my wrist. Oh, it's gorgeous. Lavender, de-stress mind. Oh, it is really nice. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £22. The 100% natural formation contains a calming blend of ethically sourced sweet woody frankincense and clarity restoring wild Moroccan chamomile. Its portable delivery system allows you to find serenity amid a hectic day. Where on earth do I get lavender from? I'm not very good at describing scents, am I? Its portability means it's perfect for on-the-go application or as a long-haul companion. Yeah, definitely something to keep in your handbag or before you go to bed, for instance. So by the side of your bed to help unwind and de-stress before you go to sleep, maybe. Next, we've got a bath oil, and this is by Celtic Herbal Cymru, where I'm from, Wales. It's made in Wales, and this contains lavender. Unwind and relax with our calming bath oil before having a well-deserved date with your duvet. Handmade with 100% natural, ethical ingredients, enriched with sweet almond, coconut oil and vitamin E to soften and nourish your skin. And there's 100 mils there. Yeah, that's more like lavender. That is more like lavender. Oh, I like that it's got a little spout thing. Look, if I just show you there. See, it just drops. Really good if you're heavy-handed like me, where else normally I'd go oops, and before I know it I've just saturated my whole hand. So yeah. Oh, that is so nice. I know it's a bath oil. I just wanted to blend it into my skin. It does feel nice. It does feel nice on my skin, but obviously I'm going to have to wash that off afterwards. It just smells so nice. Yeah, really, really lovely. Okay, so the recommended retail price for this bath oil is £9.99. Natural bath oil with lavender and vitamin E are blended with coconut and sweet almond oils to soften and nourish the skin. Yeah. Next, we've got some eye pads, and these are by the Vintage Cosmetics company. The Cooling Gel eye pads, cucumber slices without the mess. Look at these. Now, these are something new. I haven't tried these before. Oh, how wonderful. I love the design of the Vintage Cosmetic company. I've had a few products from them and the packaging is stunning. It's so, so lovely. Look. Look at those. So you just put them in the fridge or freezer and just put them on your eyes. I love those. So the recommended retail price for these pads are £4.99. Refresh your tired eyes with these adorable sparkly additions to your cosmetics collection. These cooling glitter eye pads are to be placed in the fridge or the freezer, then placed on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes in order for you to relax in style and reduce the appearance of puffiness. I love anything sparkly. I love anything sparkly. No, I do, but I love anything cold on my face. And you might have heard me say before, but I've got a little skincare fridge. I share it with my daughter, so these will be going there as well. Next, we've got a product by Polar, and this is a Polar Night Moisturising Body Milk with boreal algae, if I've said that right. We've got 50 mils here. Now, I've tried the Polar Night Cream, facial night cream, which is really, really nice, but not a body lotion. Feels nice rubbing it in to my knuckles there. Oh, it smells nice. It's very subtle, but it smells really nice and fresh. Yeah, it's lovely. The recommended retail price for this body milk is £8. 98% of natural ingredients. Find the addictive scent of Noir Nuit Polaire in this milk with a fine and melting texture. I am so sorry. It moisturises and intensely soothes all skin types. Basically, it's got a nice scent and it's really great for your skin. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got what looks like chocolates, but it's not. They are soy wax melts by Luma Tamika, handmade in the UK. I'll open them up to give you a proper look. I absolutely love wax melts. Oh, that smells gorgeous. I'm not going to tell you what it smells like because I'll probably get it wrong, but it's kind of fruity. Don't they look like little chocolates though? Don't worry, I won't eat them. Soy wax melts here, and there's 4. So the recommended retail price for these wax melts is £4. Hand poured in the UK, Tamika is a sweet coconut and lime fragrance, opening with lime, lemon, orange, apple and coconut, leading into a soft floral heart, resting on a sweet base of vanilla, musk and gentle woods. I just love it. I love it. A truly exotic scent, ideally used in a wax burner warmer or placed inside a microwave safe bowl and heat until melted, approximately 30 seconds. Reheat every so often until the fragrance has dissipated. No, a burner is much nicer. Well, I think anyway, that's how I prefer it. It is. It's like a gorgeous, fruity suntan lotion. It's so nice. I really, really like them. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this month's Pip Box. I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside this month's box. The cost of the box is £19.99. Free shipping within the UK. An additional £1.50 shipping to Europe. And additional £3.50 shipping to the rest of the world. I really love the theme. I love the fact that we've also got the bonus treat of downloading this app and having like the full collection collection of guided meditation to help you sleep and relax. That's brilliant. That is right up my street. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products this month? And also, I would love to know from Kath, my friend Kath, who lives in Malta. You might have seen her in some of my travel vlogs to Italy. Well, she lives in Malta and she gets so annoyed because she can't have many subscription boxes, but the Pip Box do. She's been a subscriber for a while now and really loves it. So yeah, Kath, I'd love to hear what you think of this month's box, so please comment down below. Or if you've never heard of the Pip Box before, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.